Hello and welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads. Let's say that you belong to financial and banking sector and here you want to promote your business using Facebook lead ads. Now every time a new lead is received, your objective is to send a WhatsApp template message to the person so that you can further nurture the lead. Now to do that, you'll have to integrate the two applications and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect. So your trigger here will be Facebook lead ads and your action application can be any application with the help of which you can send WhatsApp messages like Interact or WhatsApp Cloud API, AI Sensei. So I'm here going to use WhatsApp by AI Sensei. Now to understand how you can integrate and automate this entire process yourself without the need of any coding skills, let's begin. So this here is the home page of Pabbly Connect and here we have the options to either sign in or sign up. So if you are an existing user, simply sign in, and if you are a new user, you will have to sign up. Signing up is not going to take more than 2 minutes, and also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. So since I'm an existing user, here I'm going to click on sign in, and as I do that, here we have reached all apps page. And here we have all the applications of Pabbly and I'm going to click on access now for Pabbly Connect. So as we do that, here we have reached the dashboard. On the right hand side, there's a tab create workflow. Click on this. This dialog box will appear and here you have to name your workflow. You can give any random name. I'm going to name it as per my objective, which is to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads. And here after selecting the folder, I'm going to click on create. So as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One here is trigger, another one is action. Now triggers and actions are those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger here is when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action here is the automated response of your trigger application. Let's understand the same with the help of an example. So every time you swipe your card and the payment is made, then you receive a response on SMS about the amount debited. How does that happen? With the help of automation. Now in such a case, the trigger is the payment gateway and your action application can be any SMS sending application. I hope you have understood this. Let's come to our use case. So here my trigger application. So here my trigger will be Facebook lead ads. Let's click on this. And the trigger event here will be new lead instant. Here I'm going to click on connect. And as we do that, here Pabbly Connect wants to connect with Facebook lead ads account. So here we have selected add new connection, connect with Facebook lead ads. As we do that, here you can see that since we had already logged into our Facebook account, the authorization has been successful. Now once this setup is done, I'm going to go down. Here it is asking me to select the page and the lead generation form associated with this page. To understand this, let's go to Facebook. Here I'm going to take you to the different pages that I have created. So these are the various pages and here I have this ABC Finance company. So I'm going to promote this company using this lead generation form, and here I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect and look for ABC Finance company. Here it is. Now since there is only one lead generation form associated, it has already been populated by the system, and here I'm going to click on save and send test request. Now as we do that, here we can see it is waiting for webhook response, which means that now we are supposed to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Which means that now I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers page, and here we are going to go to My Applications. Within this we have tools, and here as I scroll down we have lead ads RTU debug tool. So this particular tool is going to help us in testing the integration. So we can create a test lead form to confirm whether our integration is set up to receive data correctly or no. So here I'm going to look for ABC Finance company. This is the form, and now here I'm going to click on preview form. So as we do that, here we have this form right in front of us. So let's fill up this form. The first name, let's say, is Smart, and then we have the last name, which is user. Let's say the email address is smart@pabblytudes.com, and then we have the phone number, which is okay. Now here I'm going to click on next and submit. As soon as this form is submitted, taking you back to Pabbly Connect to see if we have received the response, and yes, we have captured it. So here we have received the first name, last name, email address, phone number, created date and time. Once we have received this information, I want to send a WhatsApp message to this person. So here I'm going to choose my action application, which is WhatsApp by AI Sensei. You can use any other platform to send these messages. Next, we have the action event. So here it will be send template message. Here I'm going to click on connect. Now WhatsApp by AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect are to be connected. For this, here I'm going to select add new connection. And now we need this API key. How can we receive this? Taking you to my AI Sensei account. So this here is my AI Sensei demo account. I'm going to take you to manage here on the left hand side, and then we have the API key. So this is the key. I'm going to copy this, take you back to Pabbly Connect, and now here I'm going to enter the same. Let's click on save to set up this connection. And once this connection is set, now we have to fill in this information. So first of all, we have the campaign name. For this again, I'm going to take you to AI Sensei. Let's go to campaigns. And within this, you can see I have created a lot of campaigns. This is the campaign that I have recently created. I'm going to open this. The type is API. This is the message type, template name, and created date and time. And now here is the template. So you can design different templates and then you have to launch it in your campaign. So here we have dear, then there is a number within double curly braces. Thank you for reaching out to us. We have received your details. Our relationship officer will connect with you within 2 hours. You can check out our website. This is the name of the website to know more about our products and services. Please feel free to connect in case of any query. Regards, ABC Finance Company. Now this is a template that I had already designed. A template is a pre-written message and these numbers are variable. So every time you receive a new response, automatically the name will be changed. Whatever is written in the variable here will be changed according to the new response that you have received. I hope you have understood this. Now this here is the name of the campaign. So I'm going to copy this, take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste the same. Let's erase the refresh part. Then we have the mobile number. So I have received the mobile number here in the previous step. So I'm going to quickly add the number here. So how? Let's click on this. You can see the previous step and this here is the phone number. Now this method with which I have added the information here is known as mapping, and this is important so that every time your workflow runs and has received some new data, then automatically that new data can be taken here. Had I written this manually, then it would have become static, which means then it wouldn't change. So to avoid this problem, we have to map the information. Now remember that the number that you are writing should always be written with the country code and the plus sign. So here I am adding the plus sign. Next we have the username. So let's add the username. So this here is the first name, give a space, and this is the last name. Next is the source of lead. So here you can add the source as per your target, and then we have the tags, then template parameter. Here you have to add the value of the variables. So here we have to add the name. So once this is done, then we have the attributes, and if you have any particular file to be sent along with the WhatsApp message, then here file name has to come and here the URL has to come. Now here I'm going to simply click on save and send test request. And as we do that, here we have received the response according to which now this particular person must have received the WhatsApp response. And here you can see is the screenshot of the WhatsApp message that we have received. So this means that our integration here is a complete success, taking you back to Facebook Leads Ads Testing tool. Here what I'm going to do, I'm going to check the same integration in real time. So I'm going to delete the previous lead. And now here I'm going to first refresh the page. So once we have refreshed the page, here I'm going to select the page once again. And now here I'm going to click on preview form. Let's say the first name here is test. The last name is user123. Then we have the email address which is test@pabblytudes.com. And then we have the phone number which is, now here I'm going to click on next and submit. So as we do that, now what should happen? Automatically a WhatsApp message must be received by this person, and here you can see is the screenshot of the same. So this means that our integration here is a complete success, taking you back to Pabbly Connect. Let's quickly understand what we have done. So here our trigger was Facebook lead ads, where the event was new lead instant, and our action application was WhatsApp by AI Sensei, where the event was send template message. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any specific integration to work on, you can always write to us.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.